Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a vintage Valentine wreath using lids that I've been saving for the past couple of months. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And remember, you can get all the images I use for this project at www.markmontano.com. Are you ready? Let's make a vintage Valentine wreath. I put this whole wreath together with E6000 Plus, the odorless E6000 glue from Eclectic Products, and E6000 spray adhesive. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2 and I will see you next week. Bye.